Hello everyone, and this is a practice lesson for possessive pronouns in Russian language. If you feel that you need to review the rule itself, how we form possessive pronouns, I will leave a link to that theory video in the box below this video. And we are starting now. So first, let's look at the question words чей, чья, чье, чьи. This is how we ask whose questions. Whose questions, okay? Чей for masculine nouns, чей. And the answer would be мой, твой, ваш, его, ее, их for masculine nouns, чей, мой, твой, наш, ваш, его, ее, их. Next one, чья for feminine nouns. And the answer would be моя, твоя, наша, ваша, его, ее, их. These three don't change, as you remember from the theory video. All right, for feminine nouns. And next one, чье for neuter nouns. The answer would be моё, твоё, наше, ваше, его, ее, их, окно, вино, and all the neuter nouns. And the last one is чьи, чьи, whose for plural nouns. The answer would be мои, твои, наши, ваши, его, ее, их. Деньги, дети, книги, all plural nouns. Okay, now let's move to practice. Okay, so the first one is an example. You can see the noun деньги. Деньги means money. In Russian, деньги is plural. Деньги, они. And in the brackets, you can see не я, он. This is how we're going to do it. First, you ask a question. Whose money is this? In Russian, money is plural again, so you ask чьи. Чьи. Whose, plural. Чьи это деньги? Чьи это деньги? And the answer would be, you need to put не я in the right form. Это не мои деньги, plural. Это не мои деньги. And then you have он. А его. His. А его. We use а to say but, like not mine, but his. А его. Once again. Чьи это деньги? Whose money is this? Это не мои деньги, а его. It's not my money, it's his money. Let's move to the second one. Книга. Книга in Russian is она, because it's a feminine noun. А ending tells us about that. So книга она, and we need to use the right form, the correct form of чей, whose. Чей for feminine nouns is чья. Чья. Ой, sorry. Чья. Чья это книга? Чья это книга? And the answer would be не ты, я. So, не ты. Ты. Possessive pronoun is твой. And we remember that книга is она, feminine noun. So, твой needs to be in a feminine form. Твоя. Okay? Твоя. So, we need to say это не твоя книга, а я in a possessive pronoun form of feminine noun. Hope it makes sense. А моя. Моя. Это не твоя книга, а моя. Next example. Next sentence. Дом. Дом is a masculine noun. M ending, consonant, so it's a masculine noun. Whose house is this? Чей, е ending for masculine nouns. Чей это дом? Чей это дом? And then you have не они, мы. Это не они, possessive pronoun, их, which never changes. Это не их дом, а мы is наш or наша, наши. Дом is masculine, so we choose наш. дом. Okay? А наш. Это не их дом, а наш. Everything is in masculine form. Дети. Дети, children. Дети. Дети is plural. So we use чьи. Чьи это дети? Чьи это дети? Это мы. Possessive pronoun наш. But in plural form, because дети is plural, is наши. Наши. Это, не наши дети, а она is her. How do we say her? Ее. Ее never changes. Ее. Okay? Это не наши дети, а ее. Number 5. Вино. Wine. Оно. Вино is neuter, so we ask, чье это вино? And the answer is это не. Я becomes мое, because вино is neuter. Это не мое вино, а твое. А твое. Neuter form of my and your. Okay? Next sentence, подарок. Подарок means present, and it's a masculine noun. So whose present is this? Чей. Чей. Чей, masculine form. Чей это подарок? Это она becomes ее. Не ее. Again, it never changes. Ее. Ее. Подарок. А он never changes too. Его. Его. Okay? Чей это подарок? Это не ее подарок, а его. Number 7. Окно. Окно means window, and it's a neuter noun. So we use чье это окно. Не я, вы. Это не мое. The same ending. Окно, а вы becomes ваше. Ваше. Neuter ending, because окно is neuter. Number 8. Машина, car, машина, feminine noun a ending, машина. So, чья, feminine form of whose, чья, это машина. Это не мы, они. Не наша, feminine form, because машина is feminine. Это не наша машина, а они. What do you remember about они? Они is has a nice possessive pronouns because it never changes, no matter what gender or number it is. So они becomes их. Okay? Это не наша машина, а их. It's not our car, it's their car. Office, number 9. Office. Office is a masculine noun, so we use чей. Чей это офис? Чей это офис? Это не ты, я. Ты. Possessive pronoun. Твой. Твой офис. Okay, masculine form. Твой офис. А мой. Similar endings. Твой, мой. Чей это офис? Это не твой офис, а мой. And the last one is вещи. Вещи, things or stuff, plural in Russian. Вещи, things. Whose things are these? Whose things are these? Plural form of the question word whose. Чьи. Чьи. Чьи это вещи. Вещи. Чьи это вещи? Whose things are these? Это не я. Я becomes мои. Мои, plural form. Это не мои вещи, а они. Они. Их. ich. Ich never changes, all right? No matter what gender or number it is. Вещи, sorry, вещи, а их. Чьи это вещи? Это не мои вещи, а их. Okay, I hope you found this practice lesson useful. And if you feel that you need to practice more, I recommend you to just rewind this video and watch it again till you feel comfortable about asking whose question in Russian and answer this question with the correct possessive pronoun. All right, so don't forget to press like if you like this video, and you can also review the theory if you follow the link below this video to the theory video of possessive pronouns. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lesson. Пока-пока.